Today we're making roasted chicken. We're going to roast it at 300 for about 4 hours. And you'll put on sea salt, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of basil. No. Take it back. Sea salt, 1 teaspoon. Basil, 1 teaspoon. Rosemary, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Paprika, 1/2 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Thyme, 1/2 teaspoon. Celery seed, 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin, 1/8 teaspoon. Cayenne pepper, 1/8 teaspoon. Chicken flavor powder, bouillon, 1/8 teaspoon. That's what we're going to put on this. Then when we turn it over, halfway through at the 2-hour mark, we're going to put the same seasoning on the other side. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you make this recipe. Later on, if you want to see it on what it looks like, we'll show it on Facebook. You can also find me on Tanya Marie Fugate on Facebook. Push the like and subscribe button if you ain't already. And thanks for watching. Bye.